Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup, makeup panning, and things happening in my real life. Today I am doing an update for a project I created, small one, called Love My Makeup. And it is a small project of 10 uses and 3 products. You can do it as long as you, it can take you as long as you want, and you just have to use 3 products 10 times. And you can update monthly whenever you want, bi-monthly, take as long as you want. The hashtag for this project is hashtag lovemymakeupproject. I am joined in this project by unapologetically Shelley, and I believe her cousin Sheryl at the whole bucket, and I will leave them both linked down below in the description if I remember. If you want to join this project, please just let me know or let Shelley know, and yeah, we love to have you join along. Use the hashtag so I can find your videos. And yes, so Shelley and I have been working on, or I have been working on 3 products, that one for your eyes, one for your cheeks, and one for your lips. You can use any 3 products you want. It doesn't have to be those categories, as long as it is something in your makeup or skincare and you're getting use out of it and showing it some love. So I started this as a way to fill in my schedule and get a little bit of love to products that were either new and being neglected or old and being neglected. So products that were being neglected that need to get used, and I'm showing them some love because I love my makeup. Today I am doing my update, and let's get ahead and start with that. So the first product I have is my lip product, and this is from Revlon, and it is their HD Ultra High Definition Matte Lip Color. I am wearing it today. And I have met my goals on this. As the last update, I had used it 8 times. I had 2 more times to use it. This is actually an extra time. And I brought this in July, so you don't have to rush through these products if you don't want to. So this product is rolling out, and I am ready to use that for something else. Next up is my eye product. And for that, I brought in an eyeshadow from this palette here, which is very reflective. It's from I Heart Revolution. It is the Mermaid Hearts palette. And I brought in shade number 8, which is this dark teal here. And I used it once since I last updated, I think. That looks about right. I try and color code my months, and sometimes I mess up, so. But I've used it 3 times so far. That is a swatch of it there. It is lovely. It goes with my hair most of the time. You can't see it right now. But yes, so that is 3 out of 7 uses on that one. So I have 3 out of 10, sorry. I have 7 uses left to go. And then I brought that in October, and then in November I brought in a blush from the Balm and called It's a Date, and it's just a sample size that I got from Ipsy that I've decanted and put into this little magnetic palette from Avon, and this is it here. And so far I have used it 5 times since bringing it in, or 2 times since I last updated. I don't think I updated last month, so I've used it 5 times. I have 5 more uses to go. So I am keeping my eye product in and my cheek product, so I need to bring in a new lip product because that's the way I'm doing this. And I am going to bring in a new product to me that I don't think I've even swatched it yet. This is a lipstick I got through Ipsy. It is from Context, and it is a shade 117 Running Free. And it seems to be sort of a nudie color. And let me try and swatch this. My hands have so many tendons on the back of them. and that seems to be it. It looks a little bit on a brown side. It is very nudie color. Not my preferred wheelhouse, I have to say, but I will give it a shot to use it for 10 times, and we will see how I like it. And if I don't like it, I may pass it on to somebody else. So that is everything for today's update. If you enjoyed this video and want to join along, like I said, please let me know in the comments below and use the hashtag lovemymakeupproject. It's a really long one, sorry. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell while you're there. And until my next video, take care of yourselves. Stay true to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!